Good morning. We changed up our destination of where we walk. I drive to the park now instead of leaving my house, running, and then coming back. I spilled my Alani in here on accident. I'm late, but I'm also early. We're starting out later, but my cousin's not here yet, so I'm gonna eat my Pop-Tart while I wait. It's not the most healthiest breakfast, but it's just what I had to grab and go. Y'all, I love fall. Like, this is the pumpkin pie Pop-Tart. It is so good. Okay, so I'm about to get started. My cousin is going to be late, so I'm going to try to get started, and then she'll meet up with me. I'll check in with y'all once I get done running. Okay, so we just got done running. Now we're heading home because we have to be at work soon. Okay, actually, I'm allowing myself 5 minutes to ride on this couch because I need it. And then we'll get ready. Okay, when I tell y'all I am running behind this morning, I mean, I'm running behind. Like, I've got to be at the house in 20 minutes. Maybe that's because I just brushed my teeth, but that is not good. I just slung that on my mirror. Everybody that was harping or cracking jokes at me about my toast, one time today. It only took one time. We are in a rush this morning, but I cannot leave my house with it looking like this. So